bitches give me, and I ain't gonna let these motherfuckers hold me back, bro. You got the juice, bro. I've been telling you for a minute you got the juice, bro. All you gotta do is show these bitches now. Ain't no time to play, gotta take off, bro. I'll let you get free. Yo.
There ain't no time to play, I gotta take off, fuck her face off, yeah. You can see me out of space, more like a daze, I'm in the house, yeah. When they start coming, I ain't running, I might have to Chris Brown take it down, yeah. Gotta make room for the tunes and the goons, watch Rex make a sound, yeah. Apollo 17 off, take off with the lean scene, put it on straight. I'm just rapping from my team all state champs, we ain't got an amp, we get no breaks. We just putting in the work all day, all night, 40 hours.
Today is February 24th, it's Wednesday. I'm in Venice, California. Day 2 out here in Venice. I'm currently staying in this hotel. About to go on this run, man, and get a little workout in this morning before I get some work done and head out. I want to give you guys a life update because there has been a lot of changes going on as far as like where I'm located, things with my agency, things with my career. And I just want to kind of shed some light and give you guys an update because last time I was vlogging, I was doing a lot of moving. I was in New York and a little bit in Minnesota, so it could be a little bit confusing. So I pretty much just want to give y'all some insight, but I'll be back for that after my run. So I'm about to go get this run in, get this workout in. I'm gonna get some clips for y'all so y'all can see what's going on. Just got my morning started, drank some water, used the bathroom, cleaned the room, took a shower. And now I'm about to go get this run in, man. It's just something about just quick insight. I'm not much of a runner, okay? I don't like to do a lot of cardio, especially with being an ectomorph. I lose weight and muscle mass pretty fast, so I don't like to do excess cardio, especially with not eating as much as I usually do. If I do a lot of cardio, I'll drop weight and drop muscle mass really fast. So yeah, there's just something about being here in Venice, being by the beach, that I run. Anytime I'm out in Venice or by a beach, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna try to run by the beach. I am gonna run by the beach. Get a little meditation in, get a workout in, then come back, get some work done. I love the beach, man. I think I'm gonna live by the beach for a while. Well, y'all, let's go get this run in. I'll be back, give you guys a little bit of my update, tell y'all what's going on. See y'all later. Decided that I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown before I go get this workout in because my headphones need to charge real quick. All right, so basically, I'm currently in Venice, California. I'm back in LA. I left New York in December. All right, so it's currently February, left New York in December. The reason why I left New York is because it's cold as hell. Let's be honest. I mean, that's not the sole reason, but I figured I'd leave New York. There wasn't a lot of modeling gigs coming through at the time. The season slows down during the holidays, come December, come January. So I figured it'd be a good chance, a good idea for me to go back home, spend some time with my family, save on rent, and really focus on building my business. So that's what I did. I went back home, spent some time with the family, and in between that, kind of going back and forth between Minnesota and LA. Not a lot. Due to COVID, and every time I do come back from LA, I had to get an Airbnb, get a COVID test, and give it some time before I go back around my family, because I don't want to jeopardize their health and so forth. Even though I'm pretty sure we've all already had it. I'm pretty sure I got COVID when I first went to London, when COVID first broke out. Y'all can check that vlog as well. That was vlog, but yeah, man. So I'm back in LA. Long story short. I left Minnesota to come here. I'm not officially moved here, but I came out here to pretty much look for some apartments, visit my agency, whom I'm not actually with anymore due to, it's just like, it's not personal at all. You know what I mean? My Click agency, I'm personal with my booker. Like, they check on me. I'm able to, talk to them, discuss my career and so forth. Whereas out here in LA at 2, like, there's no connection. I don't talk to anyone. I don't know what's going on. And when I ask questions, it's a problem. So that's not something that I'm vibing with. So I'm going to go further into detail on why I left my LA agency in another video. But I'm here now, you know, type searching for apartments, checking the water, seeing how the market is. You know what I mean? I'm currently not with an agency, so I have to get back on the market and find an agency that wants to represent me, right? And that I want to be represented by, because I'm at the point right now where I'm not too pressed on being, you know, being signed by an agency and depending on agency for jobs or anything like that, because honestly, I've been feeling really inspired by my friends who are actually freelance and they're getting really good jobs. You know what I mean? They're getting really good jobs just based off of their own networking, you know what I mean? Their own connections and Instagram and things like that. You know what I mean? There's so many ways now. You don't really have to depend on an agency. Agencies help, you know, as far as credibility and things like that, but that's not the point of this video. Why I am here. So yeah, little life update. That's I guess that's a little life update. Yeah. So quick little note, man. I'm gonna be giving y'all some more information. But yeah, we're here in Venice, right along the beach. I was staying with a friend over in Long Beach, but things, I guess, I don't know. Once again, I'm kind of out getting it. You feel me? So I got a hotel. I'm trying to figure out my next moves, whether I'm gonna be staying with my friend Kayla. I know I'm gonna be renting out my homie Quez's apartment while he goes back to Mississippi. So I'm not stressing it, you know what I mean? This life as a nomad, it can definitely be hard. It can definitely be hard, man. Because I don't, like today, it's 7 a.m. and I don't know where I'm sleeping tonight. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can reach out to friends and I know somebody will take me in. Sad. But I know my friend Kayla will take me in. I just don't like to be a burden on people. I don't like to ask people for anything. I wouldn't say it's prideful. It's just I don't want to be an inconvenience and a burden upon someone else just because I chose to kind of live this lifestyle. Although I do have a lot of friends that like invite me like, yo, crash here anytime, yada yada. And at the same time, like I appreciate that, but like I'm not like much of a couch hopper. You know what I mean? Like I'd rather just have a spot. Like, okay, honestly, I thought I'd be out here and I'd be able to stay with my friend for a while. So it's kind of threw me off a little bit when I had to kind of get on the market and find somewhere to live last minute. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we just rolling with the punches, man. And one thing that this lifestyle has taught me, man, is to have faith, man. Have faith and just know that you're gonna be straight, man. Just ride the wave. But my phone, my damn headphones should be charged by now, man. So I'm about to go get this workout in. I'll come back and tap in with y'all later. But yeah, man, I'm finna get it.
Had to bring it back, ain't tripping on that, ain't tripping on us. Gotta make it last, life moving too fast, ain't tripping on love. I chase my goals, then I pop that top. Haters be ghosts, tryna pop a lot. I be on full, spinning around my block. Got me on go mode, now it don't stop. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Look at how they left us. I can look back and see nothing but dust. Under attack, but I'm fighting for love. Government whack, they just playing in drugs. Body be dead, still put him in cuffs. Temperature cold, no snow on the glove. Heat rising, we keep dying. So young, we can't speak like we got no tongue. Spreading gas, naming something like Ebola. Popping like we up north, south shoulder. Sorta kinda keeping everything in order. Pass it down the bloodline to my daughter. Like a movie you ain't seen, I'm a spoiler. But I can't do it working for someone else. But what are my losses? Keep them right on the shelf. Ain't nothing wrong with not being able to get it yourself. If you need help, just holler, give a yell. Ain't too many people that's willing to make sure you're doing well, I'm for real. Watch your back, it's the closest ones to you that put a price on your head, they on your heels. They go head over heels, cause they know you the deal. Had to bring it back, ain't tripping on that, ain't tripping on us. Gotta make it last, life moving too fast, ain't tripping on love.
Alright, man, today's been a long day dealing with some bullshit, man. That's all I gotta say. My Airbnb got fucked up, man. I've been out all day, low-key stressing. Had some friends to help me keep my mind clear, but pretty much I tried to check into my Airbnb today. Walked in with my groceries after Ubering halfway through the city, and he's gonna tell me that I can't cook. I can't cook in an Airbnb that I had for 2 weeks in a pandemic. How? How does that make sense? I'm like, I can't do this. I'm sorry. Gotta leave. He's like, call Airbnb, request to cancel, and pretty much Airbnb's been taking all day to get back to me, forcing me to now get a hotel. So, we need to tell me with it. We need to go tell me with it, man. We got the vibes. You feel me? I had to go ahead, you know, I'm a cuss them out and get my money back, but you definitely here with it. You feel me? Man. Give y'all a little tour of the room, you feel me?
Gotta make it last, life moving too fast, ain't tripping on love. I chase my goals, then I pop that top. Haters be ghosts, tryna pop a lot. I be on full, spinning around my block. Got me on go mode, now it don't stop.
Alright, one more quick update, man. So, I don't share this life as a nomad to get like sympathy or have people stressing for me or have anybody watching and be like, I don't know what y'all be thinking, but it's not, I'm not in a bad situation. I wasn't in a bad situation. Like I've got bases here where I'm good, a lot better than where I was, like when I was really living out my car. I'll never get to that point again, I don't believe. Nah, we up from here. We flipping these checks. You feel me? So no, we'll never get there again. But you know, I've got a foundation here. I've got friends. I've got people out here that I can lean on when needed. I've got money now. You know, I've got enough money where I can like get a hotel, get an Airbnb if it comes down to it, and so forth. But I'm just in the middle of a transition right now where I don't have my base like I want to. You know, I'm looking for my 1-bedroom. I'm looking for my studio. I'm finally about to have my own space. That's been the goal. That's been the dream since I moved to LA. You know, and it's a progress. You know, it's a transition. It's a fucking mission, not a transition. It's a whole something to be able to get there. You know what I'm saying? Because shit's so expensive. But it's definitely a journey. But you just gonna make it. You're gonna grind till you make it happen, you know. And I feel like a lot of people who's in LA, a lot of people who's on the same journey to, you know, further themselves in their career, further themselves and just making it out here. Like I've got a homie, Maurice, who was actually out here that I met out in Norwalk when he was just a random dude in the gym, and we were working out, and he was pursuing acting. He was going to school, and he just posted on his gram that he was living out in his car for a while. So it's very similar for things like that to happen out here. You know, people are out here going to get it. You know, 9 out of 10 people, maybe not that many, but are gonna end up, you know, living in their car on a journey to success, man. Or just maybe not even that, but just going through, you know, whatever hard times, trials and tribulations that are gonna test you to see, you know, if you really cut out for it, how bad you want it. But yeah, man, I say all this to not tell y'all to like go out and take risks, but at the same time, like risk living this lifestyle, because it can be stressful and it can be dangerous, damn near. But at the same time, like, don't be afraid to take the leaps of faith. Don't be afraid to live on the edge a little bit. Have faith, man. Everything ain't gonna be perfect. Everything ain't gonna be the way that you envision it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I guess that's my message, man. But yeah, man, I want to say big thanks to y'all that are watching, man, subscribing, liking, dropping comments. I appreciate you all. This is just the beginning of this content. I'm gonna be dropping so much fire. Like, I can't even say I have a niche. Like, this channel's not gonna be one thing. It's gonna be so many things, because I have so many things that I want to share with y'all and just help people, you know, whether it be with their mind, with their business, with, you know, just transforming their lives and elevating. That's what we're about. So if you're rocking with me, I appreciate y'all. Give me a like, drop a comment, give me a subscribe. But yeah, man, just another update. We're back out here in Long Beach. Things are alright. We are chilling. We're happy. We're living good. I'm in a good place.
been in a good place, man, and I'm just grateful. And I'm gonna just keep going, man. Keep grinding. That's all we can do, man. Just keep going, keep grinding, keep fighting.
And wrong when not being able to get it yourself.
Throw me a like, throw me a subscribe, throw me something. Show some love. It's free. It is free. Show me a little love. It's alright. I'm gonna drop a lot of content. Y'all gonna like it, alright? Alright, man. Peace out, man.
Had to bring it back. Ain't tripping on that. Ain't tripping on us. Gotta make it last. Life moving too fast. Ain't tripping on love. I chase my goals, then I pop that top. Haters be ghosts tryna pop a lot. I be on full spinning around my block. Got me on go mode, now it don't stop.